Local news for Monday the 5th of February. Excavator operators from across the Wellington and Wairarapa regions are practising how to pour tea with their machines to prepare for the Civil Contractors New Zealand Regional Excavator Operator Competition. Competitors will battle it out on the 24th of February at Upper Hutt and Trentham Memorial Park. And as well as pouring tea, the excavator operators will also use their machines to move an uncooked egg, open a bottle of beer and slam dunk a basketball. The New Zealand Rodeo and Cowboys Association President Lyle Cox said that the death of a bull at the Martinborough Bull Ride last Friday night was regrettable. Cox said it will be the subject of an internal inquiry to ensure whether best practice was observed and that the rodeo code regulations were adhered to. Mr Cox said that the initial information available to him was that the bull broke his leg after the rider had dismounted. A vet was on hand at the event to sedate and euthanise the animal. And in sport, the Wairarapa women have lost to Manawatu by just 6 runs in a 2020 cricket match over the weekend. Meanwhile, Greytown have won their T20 final, defeating Red Star by 5 wickets.